let's get down to the basics on how simple it is to connect your official artist YouTube channel on YouTube with DistroKid as your distributor. All right. So first, you'll obviously want to go and log in to your dashboard, right? And that's kind of self-explanatory. But once you're on your dashboard, you'll go to your home page here on DistroKid, and you'll click in the top right-hand corner of the page. You'll see a symbol that looks like a circle with 4 dots inside of it, right? Now that will drop down a menu, and you'll go down to the section where it says special access. In there, you'll see multiple different tools that you can use. And honestly, I recommend as an artist that you use all of these tools. You'll see the Spotify for artists, Apple Music for artists, Tidal for artists, Audiomack, and then most importantly, your YouTube official artist channel. Now, you can go through and set all these other ones up at your own convenience, but today we're going to be focusing on only the YouTube official artist channel section and connect that really quick, all right? Now, this takes you to a whole new page once you click it, and it tells you about the requirements needed in order to have a YouTube artist page with DistroKid, right? And with DistroKid, it's pretty simple, right? They say that you have to have a YouTube channel that you manage and a YouTube channel that primarily features music from you as an artist. Now, one of the biggest things that they're not telling you, and I have no clue why, is that you have to also make sure that the name on your YouTube channel is exactly the same as the artist name that you have registered with DistroKid. I don't know why they don't tell you this, because if you try to do this and your names are different, DistroKid will kick it back and say we're unable to do it. And then they'll tell you why. I'm not going to get started. Anyway, so once you meet these stipulations, right, and you've uploaded music to DistroKid and you meet all the requirements, right, you'll see a drop down that allows you to select your artist name. And then you go and follow the prompts similar to how you see here on the screen in the examples. And then once you're completed, you wait about 2 to 4 weeks for it to connect. And that's it. That's just how simple it is to connect your official artist YouTube channel to DistroKid.
People say that they becoming proud of me because my revolutionary faculties got me switching up the game and changing minds. Get them out the system, I'll be saving lives. Change the mind, the heart will follow.